Good morning, John.
You know what? Got to smile through the showers, even though they're very light sprinkles. And that's what we've got again today for the Bay Area. Yesterday, we saw a couple of light sprinkles here and there. Today is going to be much the same for most of us. Your East Bay Hills camera looking nice and relatively clear. A few low clouds hanging out overhead. Fog is not a thing this morning. We are seeing those low clouds, though, bringing us a few isolated sprinkles. And you can see those showing up on radar here on the peninsula in areas like the southern San Mateo County line on down into Santa Clara County line, mostly staying in our upper elevations of the Santa Cruz Mountains as well as the Marin County Mountains. A few spots out in the East Bay too where we've got some light sprinkles. Just enough to give roadways a bit of a glisten. Those misty spots, light sprinkles could make for a few slick areas this morning, but nothing too much to slow you down. It is cool, it is breezy, and it is a little bit wet out there for some of us. Snow in the Sierra Nevada is not going to be as widespread as yesterday, but still some light snow showers up there for one last day before we really clear and dry things out tomorrow. And this afternoon, you may hear a few rolls of thunder up in Solano County, out into the Central Valley and the Delta. So we do see the potential of a few isolated thunderstorms popping up out that direction. Tomorrow starts the beginning of a very noticeable change. High temperatures are going to begin to climb, skies clear out, and winds, which have been breezy the past several days, are going to calm down tomorrow. Still in the midst of 25 to 35 mile per hour gusts today, a lot like yesterday. Look at where we'll be into your Wednesday. Definitely not as windy. Low pressure area still digging the jet stream right there into the west coast. This is unfortunately resulting in heat, dry conditions, and very strong winds out into the desert southwest. As we know, there's that wildfire that's massively spreading through New Mexico right now. Fortunately, we're on the cool end of the system, so although we are in the midst of breezy weather, we're cooler and a little bit wetter comparatively here in California. Thus, our fire danger not as much of a concern. Now, 50s and 60s for today's daytime highs. Pretty similar to where yesterday was. In fact, not a whole lot of changes, not just as far as temperatures go, but also as far as winds. Still breezy, and as far as skies go, still partly cloudy with that chance of light sprinkles popping up here and there across the bay. Much like yesterday, Oakland, you'll be back at 60 degrees today. Antioch at 65, while Novato, Santa Fe, and Santa Rosa each at 62. Tomorrow and Thursday, a little warmer. We'll be closer to seasonal averages and a little more comfortable with lots of sunshine and highs nearing 70 inland. By Friday, we're back into the low 80s inland, and Saturday's looking to be our warmest day of your forecast with some mid to upper 80s inland and solid 70s right along the bay. Raina.
John, thank you for that. All right, let's get a look at your